What's good, everyone? This is Godsway here, and this is typically a week in my life as a struggling forex trader. Yeah, currently, I'm a struggling forex trader because things are not going so well currently. But I know it will not be like this forever. A time is coming whereby we will no more say a struggling forex trader, but maybe a profitable forex trader, something like that. Anyway, if you've been following this channel for some time now, you'll probably realize that I'm currently on a challenge, or I've been posting videos on a challenge. This challenge is typically a 120 days challenge to see if I can become a profitable forex trader within this stipulated time. That's 120 days. I don't know if that's going to be possible or not, but as long as I keep studying, I keep learning about things in a forex market, I believe with time we'll find out if it is going to be really possible or not. And if you've not actually joined me on this journey yet, then I'll advise you go ahead and join me on this journey by subscribing to the channel, because I so much believe this is going to prove a point to many other people out there that if you pay close attention over here, if you focus on something, if you give your total attention to something, you are fully committed to that thing, and you know that that thing is something good, you are definitely going to get good result out of that thing. So this challenge is not only for me to become a profitable trader, but it is also to prove a point to the people out there that, or to everyone watching this video or this channel right now, that it is possible. If you put your mind to it, it is possible. You can do it. If you put your mind to it, get committed to it, you can do it. So this is more or less going to be like, I shouldn't even say motivational. Yeah, maybe something like that to others, right? So yeah, this is typically a week in my life, and it's been rough. Yeah, let me put it out. It's been rough because the lessons that I've taken, right, for the past 8 days, the lessons that I've taken, some of them were totally new to me. All right, even though I was starting from the scratch because I know the basics of forex trading already. So the lessons that I'm currently on, there are some new stuff to me. Yeah, I'm learning both SMC and ICT, but for now, I'm learning much more of the SMC. For the ICT, I've had fair knowledge about it, I think, earlier this year. Yeah, I've had fair knowledge about it earlier this year. But for the SMC, I haven't actually studied it before. This is my first time learning about SMC. Though SMC and SCT, they are more or less, I don't know if I should say the same thing. But anyway, let's not talk about that right now. Yeah, so the SMC, I'm learning about some new things, which I believe they will go a long way to help me in this journey. Yeah. So if you've been following, then thank you so much for following. And if you're yet to follow, you're welcome. Let's see how this journey is going to come up, right? Let's see how everything is going to unfold with time, because I believe, as far as we are not quitting today, I mean, we are definitely going to get to the top wherever we want to be. And if you ask me, do I recommend this for any other person? Absolutely, 100%. I recommend you take up a challenge like this. Even if not in forex trading, any other thing that you want to do, you can take up a challenge like this, because a challenge is a challenge, not just a challenge. A challenge is to challenge you, meaning you do something out of your comfort zone. Yeah, that's totally fine, right? It's totally fine. Okay. Yeah. I wouldn't like to talk much in this video. There are a lot to say, but I think it's okay. We shouldn't keep here for long because we still have another work to do today. The learning is on daily basis. So I think I gotta go now and continue my studies. I'll see you. Peace out.